They set their meter to read amps. In this case, they select DC amps. So I'm going to measure the current coming out of this 9-volt battery. So they come in here and they put their probes in and they go, oh, well, 0 amps. I guess this battery's dead. Because they forgot to change the ports on their meter, right? You can't measure current in this configuration. You have to move this port into the amperage port. So come over there, put that in there, and now let's go ahead and, right, so now I'm getting an amperage reading. And in this case, you know, if you forget to switch it from voltage to amperage, you know, you're relatively safe. You're probably not going to get hurt or hurt your meter. But if you forget to put your you forget to put this back now to voltage, you can definitely hurt your meter and you could very likely hurt yourself. So always make sure to know, be aware of what ports your probes are in. So if you don't know what you're doing with your multimeter, you can break your meter or you could even hurt yourself. So right now I have this thing configured in sort of a worst case scenario. Right now this surge protector is off, so I'm going to turn that on. Right, so I don't know if you saw that, but we definitely have hurt our meter. It almost caught on fire there. I can smell the burnt. I'm going to disconnect this power right now. I can't believe the meter's actually still working. But I definitely heard it. Let's open this thing up and see what's inside. All right, so I open this thing up. Check it out. We got some pretty good scorch marks right there. That resistor is absolutely fried. Our fuses seem to still be working, surprisingly. But some good damage there. Obviously, part of this meter isn't working anymore. It's possible the rest of these components are working, but it's not something I'm going to play around with. I'm going to toss this. Well, I hope you learned something from that video. Hopefully you're a little safer with your multimeter than I was.